everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we are going to take a look at how to connect a LinkedIn page account. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are inside the post calendar feature in Squirrly Social. In order to connect a LinkedIn page account, we have to click over here, Manage Social Profiles. Then we have to click over here, Add a social media profile, and choose LinkedIn page from this drop down. And we can see our LinkedIn pages over here. We simply have to select the pages that we want to connect with Squirrly Social and then click over here on Save. And we can see it over here. We can see the profile image, the profile name. By clicking on the profile name, we can see the LinkedIn page over here. Then we can see the profile type, which is a LinkedIn page. We can see who added this profile. We can reconnect it or we can delete this profile. So this is how you can connect a LinkedIn page to Squirrly Social. Until next time.